outside. She has food. You got food? We do have some food.
What are you doing? Making some food for you?
I am making breakfast. Well, making lunch. PB&J and an apple.
Yum. So where are you headed this morning?
Work. That's that 4-letter word that we're not allowed to say out loud in public because it's offensive. Yeah, setting up the boat show for all you folks that want to come to the boat show, man. It's going to be amazing. Today is the start of the big day. It's going to start looking like a boat show after today, I think.
All right, we are waiting to go through the bridge, and we're in this little turning basin in front of Squaw Creek Bridge. Pretty tight. Looks like they just got all the way up, and there's a sailboat and another boat coming through first. It's a very narrow opening.
This is the Liberty. We're clear, and we thank you very much for the opening. Have a great afternoon.
And you do the same. Which way she's gonna go?
She's going this way. This is sketchy tight. It's 40 feet wide. We're only 13, but it sure feels smaller than that.
Spoondrifter, we're clear. Let's go.
All right, get in here and get anchored before this angry storm arrives.
Need some love? Are you sure we need some love?
So we did get that motor running, and we made it up here to Annapolis. Okay, this is where we're at. So you can see we've got one person here, one person here. They said that catamarans anchor in this space back here. It's not too shallow. It looks shallow on the charts, but they're 6 or 7 feet back there. Then we've got a dinghy dock here. This is a park, and there's another dinghy dock around this corner. There is a mooring field right here, and there's one mooring available. But this space right here is kind of where I'm thinking that there's room for you. So if you are headed up here to Annapolis for the boat show, we are going to be at the YouTube booth on Friday from 4 to 5 and Sunday at 10 a.m.
And we'll also be splitting some time in the Colligo Marine booth and TotalBoats and in Mantus Anchors. Find us at one of those places.
We'll be wandering around. Todd's also working the motorboat show this year as part of the staff, so he'll be around. So
Right.
if you're gonna head up to the motorboat show, it has been so much fun. We're like kind of bleary-eyed. It's what, 6:30 this morning?
Yeah.
And there's ducks on the boat. It's deep.
Yep.
Liberty is wearing shoes. Tennis shoes. So we'll go over here and pick her up so that she doesn't get wet. Would you like a ride?
It's gonna be go, go, go.
But we are anchored in Spa Creek, and we have met so many amazing people that are here for the boat show.
I know, it's pretty cool.
Yeah,
Yeah.
the anchorage is filling up. All of the moorings are full.
Right.
Half of the moorings go away because they get taken up by the boat
Out
show.
by the city, yeah. Mhm.
It's amazing. We've not been before. This is our first trip to the boat show. And I was like, where do they do all this? Because I've seen it on YouTube.
Right.
And we're like, oh, they build it.
Oh yeah, they build platforms everywhere. So the whole area down there is all, unlevel from different buildings and parking lots, and they will level it out from one building to another, so it's all one flat floor.
And then they've got
yeah.
docks that they come in and that go and fill up the bay out in front. Not the whole thing, but
They have somewhere between 1.5 miles and 2 miles of docks, lengths of docks.
yeah.
And they will string them over at I don't remember how many feet along. It's like 50 yards at a time or something, half a football field lengths. They'll bring them across.
Yeah,
Push
and
them into
start
place.
installing them. Todd had to learn how to push the docks into place the other day.
All 3 boats.
So he's a go-to handy guy, and now all of them are fighting over who gets him on their team.
Yeah, well, I don't know if it's that way, but
Yes, it is. You guys know everybody wants a Todd. So we are just having a fantastic time. The atmosphere is gearing up. It's getting exciting. We've been doing dinghy.
it's electrifying.
We've been doing, what is that called? A dinghy float? Have you ever done a dinghy float?
It's okay, but you're the only one with a short sleeve shirt, so.
Need to do another one.
Lancelot, who's one of our viewers and stuff, set it all up, and now they've left, and we have to carry on their
We have
tradition.
to carry on the tradition. But we have just been having so much fun. We got Denali's shots yesterday to head offshore when all of this adventure here is done and start moving south. So I guess all of this is to say we're having so much fun that I did not get a video edited for you today. So this is your update about what's going on and what we're doing and where we're at, and that we would love to see you. The other thing that's happening is the International Cruisers Awards. We are nominated in 3 categories: for inspirational sailors, for the best reel, and the best Instagram. So if you have not voted for those or don't know what that is, I'll put a link in the description below.
Check it out.
Today is the last day to vote on that. Please go vote for us. It's going to be so much fun. If you would like to come to the awards, they've got limited number of tickets. It's $20 a person. That link to buy those is in the same link to vote. So
Right.
come see us
Would
at
be
the
way
awards.
fun, way cool to do, yeah. So, yeah, I know that there's a lot of you that live around here and come to the boat show on a regular basis. So, do take the opportunity to stop by and say hello, you know?
Yep. And if you're here on a boat to the boat show, come by on your dinghy, knock on our hull, say
We're at
hi.
the end of Spa Creek.
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. All right, guys. Todd's got to get ready to go to work.
I gotta go to work. Say goodbye, Denali.
We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.
See ya.